Social activist Advocate Iris Rodriguez on Friday sought disciplinary action against a Bicholim High Secondary School teacher for holding the charge as the General Secretary of the Goa BJP Mahila Morcha in violation of the law. Mr. Rodriguez has threatened to move the High Court if the Education Department fails to take action against the teacher. In his complaint addressed to the Director of Education, Advocate Rodriguez has demanded immediate action against Sulakshana Sawant, wife of Sakelim MLA Dr. Pramod Sawant, who though is a teacher of chemistry at the Shantadurga High Secondary School in Bicholim, was actively involved with a political party. Recently, Mrs. Sawant, companioned by the Goa BJP Mahila Morcha President Kunda Chodankar, addressed a press conference in Panjim to criticize Aruna Wagh, wife of BJP legislator Vishnu Wagh. Advocate Rodriguez has also stated in his complaint that Mrs. Sawant was reportedly coming late to school and had even, without authorized leave, accompanied her MLA husband on a 10-day trip overseas. Speaking to Goa 365 on telephone, Mr. Rodriguez gave more details of the same.
Now, she's the General Secretary of the BJP Mahila Morcha, while she continues to be a teacher at the Sri Shantadurga High Secondary School in Bicholim. Now, the law is very clear, and the Bombay High Court has ruled that any teacher, while in service, cannot be connected to any political party. That is the reason I have filed this complaint with the Director of Education today, and I have sought immediate action against Mrs. Sawant for violating the law by being an office bearer of a political party while she continues to be a teacher. I have personally spoken to Mr. Anil Pawar and I have requested him immediate action. He has promised me that immediate action would be taken, and I have made it very clear to him that if the government doesn't take any action against Mrs. Sawant, that I would have to move the Honorable Bombay High Court at Goa for necessary action. I have also drawn the attention of the director that Mrs. Sawant is always late in school, and besides that, she has made a 10-day trip overseas, accompanying her husband without the necessary permission of the school.